Heading out to do 3 calls I just got right now. It's freaking crazy. Like one of them I gotta go back to my actual work because they want me to do this. Something went down and somebody had to come and submit some paperwork, so I don't know, it's crazy. And then the other one is at the dealership and the other one is somewhere else. So let's see how everything, and then the other one's at the another location out in the outside of town. So let's see how that goes. Finished the job, so now it's off to the second site. The first one was just the service where I forgot to put the license in. I was like, damn. But hey, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We're not perfect. So yeah. So let's see. Off to the next site. See what that is, and then after that, I'll probably go to the chiropractor to have them check my hand because I think I might have messed it up. I don't know if it sprained it or I fractured it. It's been already 2 months, so see how it goes. Well, I got my back treated and my hand treated, so my hand is just kind of like, I don't know what he called it, but it's like a sprain. So, but if it doesn't recover by the end of this month, I gotta go get some x-rays, and hopefully it's not fractured or anything. So let's see what happens, and I hope it's not. So let's just see what happens. But it hurts to grab and open cans, bottles, anything, man. So let's see what happens. Right, baby? Right. Hopefully everything goes good. So let's see what happens. So yeah, so I just, for somebody here next to me didn't tell me that she had the freaking keys in her freaking purse, and I went freaking everywhere in the car, in my bag, the office, everywhere. God, look at her over there.
Ready? I have that fucking phone on. No.
Look. Grudge. Just the nose sticking out.
I have just remembered to wear my purse. That's funny. That's hilarious.
God almighty. That was freaking crazy. She still doesn't understand. I suffered in the heat outside. It's freaking hot. After trying to search for the keys for the last couple of hours, can't seem to find where they were at, but my fiance realized she had them in her purse all the time. Yeah, unfortunately. So let's see what brings us tomorrow. And I didn't get to go to the office really because I had to search for the keys. So let's see what happens. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter, Google+, Snapchat, Instagram, Tumblr, and anything else I have. And everything will be down in the descriptions below. So I will see you on my next vlog. See ya.